I'm sending this because I saw your 4th of July event and I had an idea that could make the night feel bigger, more memorable, and potentially more sponsor friendly. Most 4th of July events already think about fireworks. That makes sense. Fireworks are the tradition. They are loud, they are emotional, they create that classic holiday moment where everyone stops, looks up, and watches the sky. But there is another version of that same idea that more events are starting to explore: a drone light show. Instead of explosions in the sky, a drone show uses hundreds of small LED drones flying in formation to create images, animations, words, logos, patriotic scenes, and branded moments above the event. So you can still create the 4th of July sky moment. But now the sky is programmable. It can show the American flag, an eagle, a heart, a city name, a sponsor logo, a message, a QR code, a next year ticket offer, or a visual connected directly to the event. That is where the business model changes, because fireworks are amazing, but they are gone in seconds. Boom, smoke, done. A drone show can become more than entertainment. It can become the biggest screen at the event. And if the show is big enough, the sponsor opportunity becomes real. A serious 4th of July drone show starts getting interesting at around 400 drones. At that level, the show can feel large, premium, and cinematic. But it also comes with a serious budget. A 400 drone show can cost around $100,000. So let's be direct, that is not cheap. That is not a small add on. That is not something most events can just squeeze into the budget between food, staff, security, permits, parking, insurance, and whatever other financial landmines are hiding in the spreadsheet. So if the question is, can the event just pay $100,000 for a drone show? For most events, the answer is probably no, but I think that is the wrong question. The better question is, can the drone show be packaged so sponsors help pay for it? Because once the sky becomes programmable, it is no longer just entertainment. It becomes media. It becomes sponsor inventory. It becomes a branded moment people actually film and share. For one moment, every guest is looking in the same direction. Every phone comes out. Everyone starts recording. Everyone shares the same experience. That is not just a show, that is attention. And attention is what sponsors are actually paying for. Sponsors do not want another logo on a banner near the bathroom. They do not want a tiny ad on a flyer nobody reads. They do not want to be trapped at a folding table handing out brochures next to warm water bottles like it's a hostage negotiation at a Chamber of Commerce mixer. They want attention. They want proof. They want content. They want a moment people actually see, film, post, and remember. That is where a drone show becomes different from fireworks. Fireworks give people something to watch. Drones give people something to watch, record, share, and connect back to a brand. So instead of treating a $100,000 drone show as a cost, the smarter move is to turn it into a sponsor product. Here is a simple example. A presenting sponsor pays $50,000 to be attached to the full drone show. That gives them the headline placement, the main association, and the strongest brand position of the night. Then the event sells 4 sponsored sky scenes at $10,000 each. That creates another $40,000. Each sponsor gets a dedicated moment inside the show. That could be a logo, a patriotic brand scene, a local business spotlight, a giveaway, a product launch, or a visual tied directly to the event. Now the event has created $90,000. Then add a $10,000 QR code activation package. That QR code could send people to a giveaway, VIP offer, sponsor page, email capture, early bird tickets, or exclusive event content. Now the total sponsorship package reaches $100,000. That covers the 400 drone show. And now what looked like a massive expense becomes a fundable media asset. That is the whole idea. The drone show is not just the cost. The drone show becomes the sponsorship product. Because for 60 seconds, the sky becomes the most valuable real estate at the entire event. Every guest becomes part of the camera crew. Every post becomes distribution. Every sponsor gets a branded moment people actually pay attention to. This is not about replacing the magic of 4th of July. It is about upgrading the sky moment. Fireworks give the crowd the traditional boom. Drones give the event a programmable, sponsor friendly, shareable experience. The guests still get the wow factor. The sponsors get visibility, content, and measurable engagement. The event gets something unforgettable without carrying the full cost alone. So, yes, a 400 drone show at $100,000 is expensive, but if it is packaged correctly, the question is not whether it costs too much. The question is whether the event knows how to sell the attention. Because the sky is not just decoration anymore, the sky can be media, the sky can be inventory, and for the right 4th of July event, the sky can become the biggest sponsorship opportunity of the entire night.